I'm just leaving the house. It's Friday at 4:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Just got home about 4 o'clock, and then I just got an emergency service call. It kind of reminded me of something. Just kind of made me think about what this trade does to us. This trade can be hard on us as technicians. This trade can be physically demanding. It can break our bones. It can emotionally drag you down. But it can also be rewarding. It can be fulfilling to be able to be the person that people want to come out and fix their equipment, whether it be residential air conditioning, refrigeration, restaurant refrigeration, anything. It can be frustrating, but like I said, it can also be rewarding. This service call that I just got just reminded me, because there was a time, probably 2.5, 3 years ago, when I was in kind of a dark place, going through some anxiety and anger issues and whatnot with life in general, that a service call like this would make me angry. This service call would stress me out, irritate me, and every time, so I would get the service call, and then I'd call the manager back and say, hey, so I see that you guys have a service call. What's going on? And then they'd say, oh, my walk-in freezer's down. And I say, oh, okay, cool. Hey, what's going on? When did it start happening? When did you notice it? Oh, well, I noticed it this morning about 9 o'clock, and I thought maybe it was just in defrost, so I decided to wait 7 hours and then call you when you got home at the end of your day. That would frustrate the heck out of me. But guess what? No matter how frustrated I got, that same service call would come every Friday or every Thursday or every Wednesday night with the same response. So I stopped getting angry. I realized that my anger was my own doing, because this is the business. This is what we do. This is life in general. Come on, for real though. That sounds kind of corny, but it's life. Shit happens. You can be positive about things, or you can be negative about things. Yes, I got a service call at 4:45 in the afternoon. Yes, I just got home a half an hour ago after a long day. But guess what? If I don't answer that service call, someone else will. The next company will. And guess what? They won't call me again because I didn't answer it last time. Think about that for a minute. They won't call you again. What feeds you? What puts food on your table? What fills your bank account? Your customers. You're in business, you're a technician, you're a service technician, whatever you are, an owner, a technician, any of it. You're there as a customer service representative to make sure that the customer's taken care of. So I learned to stop getting angry. I learned to stop asking, when did it start? What time did you notice it? I mean, it's one thing to ask for technical reasons to find out, hey, there's a nuisance problem that you can't find, but I stopped asking when the service call comes in, because that question that I had was fueling my anger. And I just accept it and roll with it. Service calls happen. I've been doing this for a very long time, and you got to stop and step back and look at the big picture and stop getting so angry, because life is too short. There's too much stuff going on to get angry because someone called you for a stupid service call. Guess what? They're calling you. So let's be thankful. Let's be happy. And let's fix the shit and give them a big bill. Bottom line, right? Don't rip them off. Don't cheat them. But let's fix it and get paid for what we do. Get paid for our skills. Anyways, that's it. Just a little rant.